Hello everyone, today we'll be learning how to play the piano accompaniment of Yesterday by the Beatles in the key of D major, which is a lower key than the original. Here's middle C for reference. In D major, we have two sharps, F sharp and C sharp. We'll begin with the verse, which sounds like this. Our first chord is D major, where we'll play D octaves on our left hand and A, D, and F sharp on our right hand, all together 4 times. Next chord is F sharp sus4 / C sharp, with C sharp octaves on the left and B, C sharp, and F sharp on our right. We'll play this twice. F sharp major with F sharp on the left and A sharp, C sharp, and F sharp on the right. We'll play this twice as well. Next is B minor 7 with B on the left and A, D, and F sharp on the right. For D/A, we have A on the left, and we'll keep playing A, D, and F sharp on the right. For G major, we have G octaves on the left and B and D on the right. Or you can just play G on the left and G, B, and D on the right. Next is A major with A on the left and A, C sharp, and E on the right. So far, the chords are D major, F sharp sus4 / C sharp, F sharp major, B minor 7, D/A, G major, and A major. Next we have D major, which we have learned before. Next is A/C sharp, with C sharp octaves on the left and A, C sharp, and E on the right. Then we have B minor 7, which we learned already. Next is E major with E octaves on the left and G sharp, B, and E on the right. Then G major, and we end with D major. So the whole verse is D major, F sharp sus4 / C sharp, C sharp major, B minor 7, D/A, G major, A major, D major, A/C sharp, B minor 7, E major, G major, and D major. We'll play this chord progression for the first section of the song. In between the first and second verse, we can play the following: D major, D sus4, which is like D major except we'll be playing A, D, and G on the right instead of A, D, and F sharp. As an optional variation, I like to add a few passing notes between D major and F sharp sus4 / C sharp. Here I'm playing B and C before I play F sharp sus4 / C sharp. And the rest of the chord progression is the same. This brings us to the chorus section, which sounds like this. First chord is F sharp sus4 with F sharp on the left and B, C sharp, and F sharp on the right. Next is F sharp major, B minor 7, D/A, G major, A major, and D major. We'll repeat this same chord progression a second time, but this time we'll play with slightly different timing. Now instead of F sharp sus4 chord, you can play F sharp sus4/C sharp chord, which is just a C sharp bass on the left hand instead of the F sharp. We've learned all the chords we need to play the outro. Our outro chords are A/C sharp, B minor 7, E major, G major, and D major. You can play this a few times if you want to add your own artistic variation to the song. For the last chord, you can just play D major chord with D on the left and F sharp, A, and D on the right.